हा फिनॉल जायचं, फिनॉलचं प्रिपरेशन करायचं आहे फ्रॉम द क्युमेन that is isopropyl benzene, and from this isopropyl benzene we can prepare the phenol, we can prepare the phenol. Okay, in that method, this is method is also called as a commercial method. This method is a method, commercial method, that is commercial method is also called as a commercial method. In that method, firstly this isopropyl benzene or the cumin can be reacted, or it can be air oxidized in presence of the cobalt naphthalate at the temperature 423 Kelvin. At the temperature 423 Kelvin, then it firstly can be converted into the cumin hydroperoxide, and this cumin hydroperoxide can be decomposed by the dilute acid and then to form the phenol. See, firstly we can take the cumin, that is isopropyl benzene. We can take the isopropyl benzene. This is the isopropyl benzene, CH3. This is the isopropyl benzene. Okay, काय नाव आहे याचं? आयसोप्रोपाइल बेन्झिनचा आहे तो, हा आयसोप्रोपाइल बेन्झिन आहे. त्याला दुसरं नाव आहे क्युमेन हायड्रोपेरॉक्साइड. काय नाव आहे याचं? क्युमेन हायड्रोपेरॉक्साइड. when this cumin hydroperoxide or isopropyl benzene can be air oxidation, that means oxidation can be take place, air oxidation, by the air oxidation in the presence of cobalt naphthalate at the temperature 423 Kelvin. At the temperature 423 Kelvin, at this temperature, at the temperature 423 Kelvin, then this oxidation can be take place. These two oxygen atom can be added here. Okay, this benzene nucleus as it is. CH3O and this H. Okay, लक्षात येते का बघा? हा काय याच्यामध्ये आयसोप्रोपाइल बेन्झीन. हा काय आयसोप्रोपाइल बेन्झीन. when this isopropyl benzene on the air oxidation, when this isopropyl benzene on the air oxidation, when the isopropyl benzene on the air oxidation in the presence of the catalyst cobalt naphthalate at the temperature 423, instead of the cobalt naphthalate we also take the manganese naphthalate. Instead of the cobalt also we can take the manganese, and they at the temperature 423 Kelvin, then to form this product, that this oxygen can be added here and then to form the cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide, to form the cumin hydroperoxide. Understand this? Firstly, we can take this cumin, that is isopropyl benzene, on the air oxidation in the presence of cobalt naphthalate at the temperature 423 Kelvin, then to form the cumin hydroperoxide. काय फॉर्म होतं याच्यामध्ये? हा क्युमिन हायड्रोपेरॉक्साइड त्याचं, क्युमिन हायड्रोपेरॉक्साइडचं फॉर्मेशन त्याचे फॉर्मेशन काय फॉर्म होतो? क्युमिन हायड्रोपेरॉक्साइड त्याचं क्युमिन हायड्रोपेरॉक्साइड. This cumin hydroperoxide can be decomposed by the dilute HCl. There is a cumin peroxide on the decomposition by using the dilute peroxide. This cumin hydroperoxide decomposed by using the dilute acid, it can be decomposition can be take place in presence of the dilute acid. Then this acetone is removed and then to form the phenol. To form the phenol OH plus CH3 CO CH3 CO CH3. It is byproduct acetone is formed, and this is the formation of the phenol. Formation of the phenol. अलग लक्षात बघा, परत एकदा बघा. फर्स्टली काय घेतलं आपण याच्यामध्ये? आयसोप्रोपाइल बेन्झीन घेतला, दॅट इज क्युमेन. आयसोप्रोपाइल बेंझिन किंवा त्याला म्हणतो आपण क्युमेन ऑन द एअर ऑक्सिडेशन. ऑक्सिजन पास केलं याच्यामध्ये, एअर ऑक्सिडेशन केलं, कॅटलिस्ट वापरला याच्यामध्ये कोबाल्ट नॅफ्था ऍट द 423 केल्विन. Then the cumin hydroperoxide on the oxidation can be takes place, and these two oxygen atom can be added to break the CH bond and to form the CH3CH3OOH. Okay, this is called as cumin hydroperoxide. This is called as a cumin hydroperoxide. याला काय म्हणतात, cumin hydroperoxide जो आहे हा cumin hydroperoxide आहे, तो cumin hydroperoxide आहे. हा cumin hydroperoxide जो आहे तो cumin hydroperoxide can be decomposed by the dilute HCl. याचं काय केलं याच्यामध्ये डिकम्पोजिशन केलं by using the dilute HCl. डायल्यूट HCl जो आहे ते डायल्यूट HCl यूज करून डिकम्पोजिशन केल्यानंतर मग काय फॉर्म होतो याच्यामध्ये हा फिनॉल जो आहे तो फिनॉल, आणि बाय प्रोडक्ट मिळतो CH3COCH, दॅट इज एसिटोन. दिस इज द कमर्शियल बाय प्रोडक्ट म्हणायचं, काय म्हणतो त्याला, commercial byproduct. Therefore this method is a convenient method, or this is a commercial method for the preparation of the phenol. This method is a commercial method for the preparation of the phenol. The question will be asked for the 2 marks. How will you prepare the phenol by from the isopropyl benzene, or explain the preparation of phenol from the cumin, or write the preparation of phenol by the commercial method. As like question will be asked on this point. आलं लक्षात आहे, याच्यावर 2 मार्काचा क्वेश्चन असतो. तो याच्यामध्ये प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल फ्रॉम द क्युमिन किंवा आयसोप्रोपाइल बेन्झीन किंवा कमर्शियल मेथडनं फिनॉल जायचं, फिनॉलचं प्रिपरेशन कसं करायचं, दॅट मेथड क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड फॉर द 2 मार्क्स. ओके, दिस इज द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल फ्रॉम द क्युमिन. Second method, preparation of phenol from the cumin. Understand this? Then next method is the from the isopropyl benzene. We can prepare the phenol from the benzene sulfonic acid. बघा लक्षात येते का, याच्यामध्ये प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्युमिन जाते, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द फिनॉल फ्रॉम द क्युमिन जाते. क्युमिन आपण बघितलं, परत एकदा हीच मेथड मी सांगतो याच्यामध्ये. फर्स्ट वी कॅन टेक द आयसोप्रोपाइल बेन्झीन. When that isopropyl benzene on the oxidation in presence of cobalt naphthalate at the temperature 423 Kelvin, then the oxidation of this can be takes place at this group CH bond is break, and when the CH bond is break, then to form the COOH here, that is cumin hydroperoxide. This is called as a cumin hydroperoxide. And then this cumin hydroperoxide on the oxidation, cumin hydroperoxide on the decomposition, on the decomposition, and then to form the phenol, that is CH3COCH3, that is the acetone is removed. This is CH3COCH3 is the acetone which can be removed, and then to form the phenol. This is the commercial byproduct. This acetone is the commercial valuable byproduct, that's a valuable byproduct. Therefore this method is called as a commercial method for the preparation of the phenol. Commercial method for the preparation of the phenol. This is the commercial method for the preparation of the phenol. Understand this? This is the preparation of the phenol from the cumin. Okay, next method, from the benzene sulfonic acid. From the benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, spelling out the sulfonic acid SEL, instead of PH we also write the FONIC. FONIC, benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, from this benzene sulfonic acid we can prepare the phenol. In that method, firstly benzene sulfonic acid can be neutralized by the base. Firstly, benzene sulfonic acid can be neutralized by the base, then to form the sodium phenoxides, sulfonate, and that sulfonate on the fused up with excess of NaOH, then to form the sodium phenoxide, and that sodium phenoxide on the treated with dilute HCl, and then to form the phenol. Okay, see, firstly we can take the benzene sulfonic acid. This is the benzene SO3H reacted with NaOH. Base neutralization can be takes place. This is the benzene sulfonic acid benzene sulfonic acid neutralized by the base NaOH, then to form the SO3Na plus H2 plus H2O. This is sodium benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate. Okay. When this benzene sulfonic acid, firstly can be neutralized by the NaOH, neutralized by the NaOH. This H and OH, H2O is removed, and then to form the sodium benzene sulfonate. To form the sodium benzene sulfonate. This sodium benzene sulfonate can be fused up with NaOH. It is excess of NaOH. Okay, this one SO3Na plus 2 NaOH. NaOH at temperature 573 Kelvin. At the temperature 573 Kelvin, at this temperature, this benzene nucleus as it is, and to form the ONA plus SO3Na and one Na from here, Na2SO3 plus H2 plus H2. Okay, this sodium benzene sulfonate can be fused by the excess of NaOH at the temperature 573 Kelvin. At the temperature 573 Kelvin, then to form, this is the sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Then the sodium phenoxide can be treated with a dilute HCl. Can be treated with a dilute HCl and then to form the phenol. OH plus NaCl. See again, परत एकदा परत तिन्ही reactions बघा. पहिल्यांदा firstly we can take the benzene sulfonic acid. When this benzene sulfonic acid can be neutralized by the NaOH, then benzene sulfonic acid firstly neutralized by the NaOH. When this benzene sulfonic acid can be neutralized by the NaOH, then to form the sodium benzene sulfonate. To form the sodium benzene sulfonate. When this sodium benzene sulfonate, in that this H and this OH H2 is removed, and then to form, this is the salt. When acid reacted with this to form the salt. Okay, then this sodium benzene sulfonate can be fused up with excess of NaOH. Can be fused up with excess of NaOH at the temperature 573 Kelvin. At the temperature 573 Kelvin, then to form the sodium phenoxide. To form the sodium phenoxide. Okay, SO3Na can be removed by the ONA plus Na2SO3 plus H2. Na2SO3 plus H2O, that is to form the sodium phenoxide. Then this sodium phenoxide can be treated with the dilute HCl. Then this Na and Cl is removed and to form finally phenol. काय फॉर्म होईल याच्यामध्ये? हा फिनॉल आहे तो फिनॉलचं फॉर्मेशन होत आहे. पहिल्यांदा सोडियम बेन्झीन सल्फोनिक ऍसिड NaOH बरोबर न्यूट्रलाइज केला, त्याच्यापासून तयार होतं सोडियम बेन्झीन सल्फोनेट. ह्या सोडियम बेन्झीन सल्फोनेटला फ्यूज केलं विथ एक्सेस ऑफ NaOH at the temperature 573 Kelvin, then to form the sodium phenoxide, and ha sodium phenoxide can be treated with a dilute HCl and then to form the phenol. Then to form the phenol. Understand this? This is the preparation from the benzene sulfonic acid. Preparation of phenol from the benzene sulfonic acid. Preparation of phenol from the benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. This is a third method for the preparation of the phenol. Understand this? And another one more method from aniline. From aniline. aniline पासून आपल्याला काय करायचं हा फिनॉल जातो फिनॉलचं प्रिपरेशन जाते प्रिपरेशन करायचं फ्रॉम द aniline preparation of phenol from the aniline. In that method, firstly aniline can be treated with nitrous acid. Actually, this nitrous acid can be obtained by the reacting of sodium nitrite NaNO2 plus HCl and then to form the HNO2 plus NaCl. This is called as a nitrous acid. NaNO2 plus HCl to form the HNO2 plus NaCl. This HNO2 is called as a nitrous acid. And when this aniline reacted with this nitrous acid at low temperature, firstly to form the benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt, and that benzene diazonium salt can be hydrolyzed by the dilute acid to form the phenol. To form the phenol. See, this is the aniline. Aniline, NH2 group can reacted with nitrous acid HNO2. That HNO2 can be obtained from the NaNO2 plus HCl at the low temperature 273 Kelvin. At the low temperature 273 Kelvin temperature. At this temperature, this aniline can be converted into the benzene diazonium salt. This benzene diazonium salt N2 plus Cl minus. N2 plus Cl minus. This is called as a benzene diazonium salt, chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. See again. Firstly, we can take the aniline. That aniline can be reacted with nitrous acid. That is the NaNO2 plus HCl at the low temperature 273 Kelvin. Then this NH2 group is converted into the diazonium group. This is called as a diazonium group N2 plus Cl minus. That is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride on hydrolysis. This benzene diazonium chloride N2 plus Cl minus on the hydrolysis HOH in presence of the dilute acid, then this N2Cl group replaced by the OH. N2Cl group is replaced by the OH. Phenol plus N2 plus HCl. This is phenol. Formation of phenol from the aniline. Formation of phenol from the aniline. Say again, परत एकदा बघा. आपण नाइट्रस ऍसिड फॉर्म केला याच्यामध्ये when NaNO2 plus HCl, मग त्याच्यापासून फॉर्म झाला HNO2 plus NaCl nitrous acid. Firstly, this phenol reacted with nitrous acid HNO2, that is NaNO2 plus HCl at the low temperature to 73 Kelvin. At the low temperature to 73 Kelvin, then to form the benzene diazonium chloride. To form the benzene diazonium chloride. When this benzene diazonium chloride on the hydrolysis by the dilute HCl, when this benzene diazonium chloride on the hydrolysis of the dilute HCl, then this diazonium group N2 plus Cl minus, this is a diazonium group. That diazonium group can be replaced by the OH to form the phenol plus N2 plus HCl. Phenol plus N2 plus HCl. आलं लक्षात आहे? Preparation of phenol from the aniline. ओके, क्लिअर होते का बघा इथपर्यंत? प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल फ्रॉम द aniline. बघा याच्यामध्ये आपण दोन मेथड्स आहेत, दोन मेथड्स बघितल्या. प्रिपरेशन जायचे, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल जायचे, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉलच्या